Medley was a very mean dude, totally engaged in life. He has always lived that way, but as his last name suggests, George's life has not been a straight narrative.
I was a fugitive for over 10 years.
I was on the run.
And I was running from, I was on the run. I was apprehended in Albuquerque, New Mexico, live televised. I was apprehended.
He has lived multiple lives, a medley of circumstances and characters.
Dad had a big old bottle of speed pills in the cabinet, and I didn't even know what they were. But my friend Danny High recognized them. He says, "Hey man, this is speed. You don't know what this is?" I was like, "No." He says, "We can sell these at school for $2 a hit." I was like, "Okay." He says, so I took some and I started selling them at school. And I learned real quick that was fast money. And then my dad challenged me sometime later. He says, "You know what? I know all these pills are coming up missing. I know you ain't taking all of them. What are you doing with it? Are you selling them?" And I said, "Yes, I am." And he says, "Well, I want half the money." So I was like, "Okay."
This person, named George Medley, is not a compendium of greatest hits. Only the final cut merits admiration. Every one of George's experiences deserve attention. George turned his intelligence, charisma, and boundless energy away from evil to doing good.
I've been coming for about 6 weeks.
Have you really?
Yes.
Is that right?
It's
now, what
really.
keeps you bring them coming back?
Well, just the extra help that you get and the organization and the prayers.
This compelling story is not the typical rags to riches story because nothing about George is typical.
Very enlightening, gets me flowing again.
Like I said, he was really sick and he hated the way he was.
Yeah.
He told me that he hated the way he was. I see the miracle of God.
Yeah.
And he was on my son-in-law and my daughter.
Yeah.
The faith that my daughter had and the change on in my son-in-law's life.
George Medley comes to a crossroad in life. From abused child to abusive drug kingpin, through his transformation into a respected entrepreneur, George Medley. It's a story, all right, but you'll not be the same after you hear it.